Welcome to our complete Excel course from absolutely beginners to advanced. And within this course, it will be divided through modules. And from the modules, we shall look at lessons within the modules. And here we are. We are into our first lesson. And basically, our first lesson shall we shall look at what we call the introduction to Excel interface. Okay? And this first module, basically it will be the Excel basics and navigation, and it will be covered from lesson 1 till lesson 5. So keep in touch and watch every step we're taking so that you can move from beginners to advanced. So let's dig into our Excel. Here we are. We are into our first lesson, and we shall look at what we call the introduction to the Excel. And these are some of the points we shall be mainly looking at. Okay, and the first one is a row. Now you may ask yourself, what is a row or rows? Now rows, basically the rows contain numbers, as you can see, from 1 2 3 till the end, etc. So these are rows on the far end or on the far right, whichever side you're watching them from. Okay, now what is a column or columns? Now these columns, they are numbers or they are letters. Okay, from A, B, C, D till Z, etc., because they keep on going. Okay, and this one comes vertically. Okay, now we shall move to what we call ribbons. Now a ribbon or ribbon, yeah, a ribbon is just the menu where you find tabs. Okay, a ribbon is just a menu where you find different tabs to complete your task. So for example, this is called a ribbon menu. As you can see up here at the far end, all these which is in green color, okay, is called a ribbon. And a ribbon has different tabs. As you can see, it has the home tab, it has the insert, the draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, develop, etc. So within this ribbon, it contains different features. Okay, as you can see here, and these different features help us to complete our task or to design our Excel as we like or as we want it, and help us again to complete our task. Okay, basically we use the ribbon menu. Okay, so we shall move on to what we call a formula bar. Now this is a formula bar, as you can see here. It's called a formula bar. A formula bar helps us to edit our data, in case to make changes, to add something within our data entered within that cell, to edit our formulas, to do everything as we're going to see step by step. But for now, this is what we call a formula bar, as you can see here. So we look at the range. Now a range is just a number of cells where your data is contained. As you can see here, when I drag and I draw a shape here, assuming my data is within these cells, from here till down till here this side. Now all this is called a range of my data. A range is simply the cells together with my data. That is called a range. Okay, now let's go back to a cell. We did not see the cell. Now a cell is just a box within the worksheet. Okay, and a cell is just an intersection of column and the row. In this, what do I mean? Intersection. When I point here and I also click here, you see this intersection, this box. Now this one is called a cell. Okay, there are too many. All of these, they are called cells, but easy to identify or to define. You can say a cell is just an intersection between a row and a column. That's my easy definition. Okay, so let's look at what we call also a sheet. Okay, now what is a sheet and what is a workbook? Okay, now a sheet is just where your data is stored or you're working from. As you can see here, we are in our sheet 1. Okay, it's just a sheet is just a number of cells, formula bar, something like that. A sheet is what contains all this. All this they are into a sheet. Okay, this is called a sheet right now where we are, and there are many different sheets. When you just click a plus button here, you get so many different sheets. As you can see, 2, 6, 7, 8 different sheets. Okay, so what is a workbook? Now a workbook is this a workbook contains different sheets, and the workbook is a catalog of worksheet. Now as you saw here, like we have so many different sheets within here. Now if you add up all these, this make up a workbook, and we get what we call a workbook. And what else here you need to know? Okay, I think that's all for now. That is the introduction to Excel interface. Let's meet in the lesson number 2 and we see what we shall cover slowly by slowly. Thank you. See you next time.